It's a nice, relaxing day, right, Dalmatian Ice? Yeah, it's a perfect winter day to go outside. Yeah, it's a perfect day to go outside. You want to go outside? Yes? Okay, let's go.
I will destroy. I can't wait to destroy these little pesky monster trucks.
Dalmatian dog.
I have to turn them into evil, just like me. I'll get my opportunity starting now. Finally, here's my chance. Get my evil beam, blaster beam ready.
Oh! Where'd you come from, Razosaur? What can I do?
Turn you evil. You'll be on my team now. Let's go to my evil frozen tunnel. Home sweet home. Welcome to my evil cave. You'll be evil just like me forever. But where is Dragonoid?
He's not evil.
Oh, okay. Well, he'll be here shortly. But come home. Welcome to the cave.
Not so fast.
I'm out of here. Oh, I never turned him evil? I gotta get out of here. It's too far. Looks like Dragonoid's stuck. I knew he wouldn't get me. There he is. Oh, no. Gotta do you right. Excellent. Don't ever try to chase me. Now you're frozen in ice. Let's call you an ice dog from now on. But you're still evil. So you're still on my team, right?
Yes.
All right, good. Now, let's go find Dragonoid so we can make sure he's still evil so we can go defeat the good guy. So
Not so fast.
hey, where'd he go? To the top of the mountain? Hey, get over here. Whoa, he almost got me with a snowball. Hey, what are you trying to do? You're supposed to be on my team.
I tried to frozen over.